Today I'm going to be making a delicious lamb ragu. It's full of beautiful, meaty and Italian flavours. So come along and I'll show you how to make it. So in front of me I have a shoulder of boneless lamb. Now I like to just cut some of that excess fat off because it can be a bit of a fatty cut. But this cut is good because it can be cooked low and slowly over several hours. You could also use a leg of lamb or lamb shanks, whichever piece you can find in your local supermarket. Now let's begin by cutting the lamb shoulder into cubes. Once the lamb shoulder has been cut into cubes, I then place it into the hot pan or hot pot with a little bit of olive oil and some salt and pepper. And just to let them, maybe about 5 minutes, just to get a nice deep dark brown colour. Let's transfer them into a side bowl while your carrots, onion and celery cook. I then like to cut up 2 carrots and celery sticks, 2 small or 1 large yellow onion. I then caramelise these for about 10 minutes, just until they're nice and soft. Caramelising them slowly means that all the flavours and the natural sugars will release. Okay, so after these are nice and soft, I'll add some garlic, and then after a minute, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. I'll then deglaze the pot with 1 cup of dry red wine and add in 2 cans of tomatoes or passata, whichever you prefer, and also a few chopped anchovies. Now the anchovies go really well with the lamb. They add a nice salty flavour, but don't worry, if you don't like anchovies, you actually really can't taste any anchovy flavour. It just adds in a very nice, extra salty flavour. Then add 2 bay leaves, some sprigs of rosemary and thyme, and I like to add a little bit of oregano too, some chopped up basil, some chopped up continental parsley, some more salt and pepper. Now, you have the option to add any kind of vegetables that you'd like to. So I like to add some mushrooms to mine and some zucchini. Now after adding all of your ingredients into the pot, add your lamb back in and then place into the preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 2 hours. The lamb after 2 hours should be nice and soft, very easily be able to be pulled apart with your fork, or just have a try of a piece and it should be nice and moist and soft. You can have this with whichever kind of pasta you'd like to, or fettuccine. But today I'm going to use rigatoni, which should scoop up the flavour very nicely. I'm just going to boil this in a pot with a little bit of salt, drain, but remember, keep aside a little bit of that pasta water. The starchiness helps bring the tomato sauce together. I like to put the rigatoni in with the ragu and mix it all together with that excess pasta water. So now I'm just going to serve it into a big bowl. I like to shave a little bit of parmesan on top, and you can garnish if you'd like to with a bit of basil or anything, salt and pepper. And here we go. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.